All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to one more video of one more product that I've built. It is called AutoPoster. It posts automatically on social media from planning the content to generating the content, carousels, images, videos, and posting it on your social media at your given time in your voice. So that's what it does. So 1 month ago, I stopped posting manually on LinkedIn completely, and nobody noticed. Everyone kept messaging me, love your consistency. Well, thanks, but I was asleep. So let's first look at the content that it has posted and the results. So this is how the carousels look. Recently, I changed the design and I've observed that the posts with numbers get more impressions, like this one. Let's go to Instagram. This is how it looks on my profile. I post memes in between, and that's me. And another one is my alter ego. Figure out which one is which. But this is how it looks. Let's see the results on LinkedIn. Yeah, since I started posting June to, let's see, last 90 days. I started posting May 27. Today is June 30. Okay. So here's the problem. I developed an app called GAlpha AI, the one that you see here on the screen right now. It reads thousands of articles every day from 50 plus sources. So apparently it's healthier than me doing it. And its job is very simple to figure out what's going on in the world before your investment portfolio does. So here on the left side, you can see the events that's happening. In the center, you see the entire analysis, what happened, why happened, what actions should you take, what sectors will be impacted, and here you can analyze according to your portfolio. And then I realized someone need to post these updates as well. Absolutely not me. So I automated that too. So this thing wakes up every 15 minutes, checks the news, finds the biggest and spiciest story, writes a post, and then it posts on every social media. And then it goes back to sleep again. Honestly, it's living my dream. And here's the sample image of how it works. Just what I described right now. And this is the sample example of how it scores the events. And let's see one of the posts as well. I honestly stopped this particular posts for now. I'm working on it, but you can see this was one of the biggest posts on May 25, biggest news. You can see here at explaining what happened and what are the three top moves that you can do. It has around 70-75% accuracy, and you can compare the sectors, scenarios, and why this hypothesis can be rejected. Yep, this one I made. And the funniest part is there are hundreds of stories, and the funniest part is there are hundreds of stories every day, and the robot is literally judging them like, meh, nobody cares. NSE is filing for IPO, that too with Rothschild as an advisor. Yeah, that's going on LinkedIn and Insta as well. You can see here I've highlighted top event NSE files for IPO, major shift in Indian exchange landscape. It has given the score 100 here. So yeah. And then I made one more mistake. Every evening, 7 p.m., there goes a personal branding post live on LinkedIn and Instagram. I taught this robot to write like me. People comment, brilliant insight, great insight. And I'm like, that wasn't me. That's 4,000 lines of Python pretending to have emotional intelligence. And honestly, it's getting better engagement than I ever did. You can see here exactly at 7:02. If it's any time between the 15-minute window, it fires up and generates the carousels and posts it on the Instagram and LinkedIn. This is today's post. That is here. I've managed 100 CR. Let's see if you can see the title here. I guess this one's for the Instagram. Yeah, 7477. Let's see. Yeah, that's the same one. Cool. People ask me why did I spend a significant amount of time building robots instead of just posting it myself. Because I want to do something only once. These robots can do the boring part forever. And meanwhile, I start building the next thing. Hopefully, one more robot. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you.